If you want to change your Telegram channel from private to public, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps on your PC so you can make your Telegram group or channel public in just a few clicks. This is useful if you want more people to find your channel through search, share your link more easily, or simply make your community more accessible. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your PC. Once Telegram is open, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the group chat or channel you want to change. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage more than one Telegram community. After opening the chat, go to the top of the window and click on the group name or the group profile picture. This will open the group info panel, where you can access the settings for that channel or group. Now, in the group info panel, look for the Manage option and click it. This is where Telegram keeps the more advanced settings for your group or channel. After that, click Group Type. Here, you'll see the current privacy setting for your group. If it's private, you'll want to switch it over to public, so go ahead and toggle Public Group on. Once you do that, Telegram may ask you to set or confirm a public username. This username is what people will use to find and access your group publicly, so choose something clear and easy to remember if needed. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your Telegram channel or group is now public. From here, people can find it more easily and join using the public link or username you set. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Telegram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.